Hello, everyone. It's time to do some sentence work. I'm going to say a sentence. You're going to repeat it. Then you're going to write it. Remember that you can pause the video at any time or rewind to get any part that you have missed. Here is a sentence. Make a line under all the verbs. Repeat. Make a line under all the verbs. Please write it. Pause the video while you write. Now that you have written the sentence, we are going to go ahead and do the proofreading procedure. First, you are going to point to each word as I read the sentence to you. If you are missing a word, please draw a line. Do not write the sentence. I'll give you time to do that later. Please point to the first word. Make a line under all the verbs. Now, please write in any word that you did not have in the sentence. Pause the video. Okay, now that you have all the words, it's time to check your capitalization and punctuation. Does your sentence start with a capital letter? Does your sentence end with punctuation? Period, question mark, or exclamation point? Now, check for any other capital letters. Is it supposed to be capital? If not, make it lowercase. Is there any word that should be capitalized and you haven't done it? Then capitalize it. Okay, I would like you to circle the word a and circle the word the. All right. Now get out your student notebook and check to make sure you have spelled those two trick words correctly. Pause the video until you have done so. Now it's time to check our one-syllable words to make sure they are spelled correctly. So go through and see which ones are one-syllable words. Make, line, all. Check those, tap them out, make sure you have every single sound. Pause the video until you're done. Now it's time to scoop our multisyllabic words, remember more than one syllable words, into syllables and check each syllable. Tap it out, write it out. So under, put under into two syllables. Tap out the first syllable, write it out. Tap out the second syllable, write it out. Pause the video until you are done. Now it's time to circle our suffixes and underline our base words, which is the word verbs. Hopefully you figured that out already. So circle our suffix, because we always do that, and underline our word, our base word. Then tap out the base word and make sure it's spelled correctly. Pause the video until you have that completed. Next, it's time to scoop our sentence into phrases. I'm going to say it with phrases, then you are going to say it with phrases, then you're going to scoop it. Here we go. Make a line under all the verbs. Repeat. Make a line under all the verbs. Now scoop the sentence. All right, now I'm going to show you the sentence with all the words spelled correctly and scooped correctly. So if you're not ready yet, pause the video until you're ready. Here we go. Okay, make a line under all the verbs. Make sure that you have spelled it all correctly. If you have not, cross it out and spell it correctly. Fix any mistakes that you have. You may pause the video to do this. Otherwise, we are all done, and I will see you next time on our sentence work.